Hello students. Okay, this is example for question 3, right? Exercise 2.1 question 3. Now, let's look at the examples. Express the following quadratic expression in the form. Okay, so when you see this form, you see the bracket and you see the square. So this is basically a complete square, right? It's a complete square format. So they are asking you to complete the square of the following expression, right? Okay, so you have done completing square. Okay, so you just do in a similar manner for all the equation. Okay, now let's look at A. 3x2 plus 12. So first of all, if you remember, we're supposed to check A. A is the term with x squared, and A should be positive 1, right? This is not positive 1, so what we're supposed to do before we complete square is factorize it, right? Bring out the 3. Factorize it first, and you have to factorize the B term, which is the number with the x, right? 12 divided by 3, 4, right? Then now only I'm doing complete square, right? Take one x, right? And second number is always the b term, divide by 2, only the number, so it's 2 and square. So this is our complete square, right? Like I said, if you do complete square, you will introduce an extra number. So we should minus off the extra number. The extra number is always this number to the power of 2. So you minus off this number to the power of 2. And then you can put back the square bracket. And again, as you can see, I use different bracket because some students always get confused with curved bracket, right? Too many curved bracket. So you use square bracket and the inner brackets will be curved brackets. Then you can simplify. Then you can multiply the 3 into the brackets, remove the bracket, goes to this. Okay, so do a similar method for B, C, and D, right? For B, 1 over 2 x squared minus 4x. Again, first thing, check. Is A positive 1? No. So I have to do factorization first. Factorize, right? Divide by 1 over 2. 4 divided by 1 over 2, which basically means 4 times 2, right? Which is 8. Okay, if I multiply back 1 over 2 with 8x, I must get negative 4x. If not, that means you have not factorized it correctly, right? Your factorization is wrong. Okay, now only I'm doing complete square. Take 1x, second number divided by 2, 4, minus of extra number, close the bracket, right? Whatever the square bracket needs to be copied back. Simplify. Okay, remove the big bracket. Okay, so the answer is this. C. Okay, so you see the term are not arranged properly. A should be in front, B is at the back, right? If you remember, it's A, B, C. So you do a swap. Check the A. Wrong. Do factorization. Divide by -2. Okay, so now only I can do complete square. Divide by 2, which is basically times 1 over 2. Okay, minus of extra number. If they don't help you, if you say okay bye bye, you walk away, that's it done already lah. Take a picture, then you done for that day already, go home sleep already lah. No, no lah, they can check whether you deliver from the file. Okay, alright, okay. Okay, so this is plus, right? Divide by 2, this is 8, so 25 over 8. So this is the answer. Last one. Again, a is not plus positive 1. Do factorization first. 12 divide by -3, so -4. Again, this is not completing square. I'm just factorizing, right? Just factorizing. Now I'm doing complete square. Square, curve bracket, take 1, divide by 2, minus of. Okay, close it. Remove square bracket plus 12. So that is the final answer.